This is Project Johhny, an ECD custom Defender 110. Johhny is painted in a striking eggshell Coniston Green colour with black accents all round. Johhny sits on 18-inch sawtooth black wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres and ECDs Brembo brakes. This 110 features a 6-point roll cage and ladder, 2 LED spotlights at the rear and a classic front bumper with worn winch. Inside, Johhny features an Evander Wooden steering wheel with silver-style custom green face gauges, 2 corbeau trailcat front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in a single diamond vertical Kenya Nougat leather stitched together with medium grey. Johhny is powered by our 430 horsepower LS3 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. Johhny also features an array of modern elements such as Alpine audio sound system, wireless charger, CarPlay and access to USB points throughout. This is a really striking vehicle. It looks like something you can imagine a member of the royal family driving in England, a classic colourway with almost military ties, yet superbly appointed and luxurious inside. This is a stunning vehicle, an absolute credit to the family that designed it.